We service a lot across the commercial sector. Good amount of what we do is municipalities, hospitals,
state governments, and then pharmaceuticals. We do a certain amount of the upcoming marijuana industries.
We do prisons, school systems,
property management companies, facility management companies, police stations, fire stations.
System critical sewer plants, water plants, things like that, things that rely on having emergency power.
Somebody reaches out to us. We provide that customer with insight as to the age of their equipment, what's going on, the mission of their equipment. A lot of times in municipal state agency, they don't really even understand what the generator is there for, whether it's a legally required system or a mission critical system, or it's just there because it's always been there. So that's where some of the education comes in at that point, is just teaching the folks what the system's for, what it supports, and what are their obligations as the owner operator for that system to either maintain, replace, or upgrade.
We'll take a look at their electrical. A lot's changed in 50 years. We can actually hone in and downsize the generator to save the customer money and still power everything. Also, there could be a lot of expansion, so we need to upgrade that generator to fit the needs of the building.
We have years of experience as well that really makes us an expert, and everybody here really puts a lot of weight on being the expert to the customer.
Over the years, we've designed generators, we've designed services, we keep up with the codes, we try to work with NFPA, we've changed fire codes for generators, fueling codes.
We invest heavily in our techs, and we want them trained in the appropriate ways, in the right way to do things. Process is a big thing that we like to follow here.
So we look at a customer, we look at a system, and we say, based upon our many years of experience, what is the next point of failure? What's going to happen to this? And become predictive and keep that failure from happening rather than wait for something to happen to fix it.
We always put the customer first. We're big on communication, making sure we keep the customer informed what's going on. It's almost like a partnership as opposed to a customer-vendor relationship.
We're putting ourselves out there as an advisor, not just, hey, I'm here to sell you something.
We try to be fully transparent and keep the customer informed every step of the way.
We are constantly looking for customer feedback. And not only that, but transparency. We want to have the honest conversations with the customers. What's working, what's not? What can we do to make it better?
Our post-installation generator services include scheduled preventative maintenance, emergency and scheduled repairs, fuel analysis and polishing, load bank testing, and rentals.
Our remote monitoring, we like to install that. That way customers will feel more confident that their unit is going to run when they need to run. So we have in-house emergency service, so we don't outsource any of it. You'll get one of our employees after hours. We have a large staff out in the road that can handle all types of concerns. We have trucks that can go through all types of weather.
FM Generator is a premier provider of preventative maintenance and repair services to standby generators and automatic transfer switches throughout the Northeast, powering families and businesses since 1970.